In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete variants in Shopify. We'll walk through this process step by step so you can clean up products that have sizes, colors, or other options you no longer want to offer. Before you delete any variants, it's a good idea to quickly review your inventory and make sure you're not removing options that are still active, have stock, or are linked to campaigns or ads. First, sign into your Shopify admin and go to your main Shopify dashboard. This is your home base where you can see an overview of your store, recent activity, analytics, and quick links. From here, we'll move into the area where all your products live. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, find and click on Products. This opens the full list of items in your store. You can use the search bar or filters at the top if you have a lot of products and need to narrow it down. For example, you might search by product name, SKU, or collection to quickly locate the item whose variants you want to delete. Once you see the product you want to edit, click directly on its name. This takes you into the product details page, where you can edit the title, description, media, pricing, and of course, variants. Scroll down until you reach the variants section. Here you'll see a list of all the different versions of that product, such as different sizes, colors, or styles. Next, look for the specific variant you want to delete. On the left side of that variant row, there's a small white checkbox. Click on this box to select the variant. If you need to delete multiple variants at once, you can select more than one checkbox. After you select the variant or variants, you'll notice a set of 3 dots, often called the More Actions menu, appear near the top or above the list. Click on these 3 dots. A small menu will drop down, showing several actions you can take on the selected variants. From that drop-down menu, click on Delete Variants. Shopify may show you a confirmation prompt to make sure you really want to remove them. Deleting a variant will remove it from this product, so double check that you've selected the correct ones. Finally, after confirming, scroll back up or look for the Save button on the product page and click Save. This step is crucial. Your changes will only be applied once you save, and your store will now reflect